Chrome, I realized just how much AI has started appearing inside the browser itself. Chrome is now adding this AI mode button all over the interface, and while you can disable it with Chrome flags, those fixes are temporary. Every time Chrome updates, the AI features come back. In this video, I'll show you how to remove them permanently and make your Google search experience completely AI-free. Alright, let's jump on the computer and I'll show you why I'm making this video. Okay, we're now on a fresh Windows 11 install, and here's Google Chrome. If we open it, you can see this AI mode button right here. Removing it is pretty straightforward. First, type Chrome // flags into the address bar. This opens Chrome's experimental features. Then search for AI mode and disable it. Hit the relaunch button to restart Chrome. That removes one AI flag, but there's another one. Go back into Chrome // flags and search for Compose Entry Point. Disable that too and relaunch again. At this point, the AI flags are gone, but here's the catch. The next Chrome update will bring them back. To remove them permanently, we need to edit the registry. Click the Start button, type regedit, and open the registry editor. Navigate to hkey/local_machine/software/policies. If you don't see Google or Chrome here, don't worry, we're creating them. Right-click, select New Key, and name it Google. Then right-click Google New Key, and name that Chrome. Now, right-click Chrome New DWORD 32-bit value. Name it AI Mode Settings and set its value to 2. Here's what the numbers mean. 0 equals enabled. 1 equals enabled but without sending data to train AI. 2 equals disabled completely. Go back to Chrome, and you'll see the AI button is gone, both from the address bar and the search box. That's it, it's permanently removed. But I didn't stop there. Chrome has a lot of other AI features, especially in Google search. For example, if you search how to repair a water heater, Chrome now shows AI overviews, related products, and videos before the actual search results. It's cluttered, and it's not the Google we're used to. You can fix this in a few ways. One simple option is the UDM14 extension, which forces Google search to show only web results. With this, you'll always land on the Just the Web view. If you want more control, there's an extension called by Google AI. This one lets you remove AI features while keeping other useful sections like videos or People Also Ask. You can even customize it to hide certain blocks you don't want at all. Finally, for the hardcore users, you can prevent Chrome from downloading its local AI model. Back in the registry, create a new DWORD 32-bit value and set it to 1. This stops Chrome from running AI on your computer's hardware, which can save resources if you don't need those features. And that's it. By combining Chrome flags, registry tweaks, and extensions, you can permanently remove AI from Chrome and Google search, while keeping control over what features you want to see. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more Chrome and Windows tutorials without AI overload. Thanks for watching. See you next time.